Sick of this other bunch of creepy broke with the mystic style. Smoking on whatever, been a junkie since I was a child. Every time I think of death, I start to go and crack a smile. Never gave no fuck about this life, and that's me keeping in mind.
Hi, Soapkey here. Please, no photos. Like I was saying, I'm Soapkey, and today I'll be showing you how I edit my short form videos. This tutorial is great for beginners on CapCut that want to break the glass on just how to edit or evolve their skills in general. Okay, first step, open CapCut and select new video. Choose the clips you'd like to edit. In this case, a follower sent me 4 videos asking for an edit. Once you have your clips, down below select audio and extract the audio you'd like to use. I had this song already in mind. On the left side, select mute clip audio. Begin shortening the song to the exact part you want in the beginning of the edit. Once you've done that, you can begin trimming the clips and arranging them in a desirable order. Forgot to mention, at the bottom, scroll to the right and click Aspect Ratio. Set this to 9:16. Right next to Aspect Ratio, select Background and then Blur. And apply it to all clips. Select a clip and scroll below until you see Transform. Here you can zoom each clip to the same percentage and position them. For the second clip, I wanted to add an effect, so down below, select Effects, then Video Effects. I'm looking for one that will shake or vibrate the camera. Found this one called Jitter. Maximize the range and make sure to shorten the effect to the desired duration. Just going to trim the end of this clip for the transition. Now going back to the first clip, down below click Speed, then Curve, then Custom. Down below select Smooth Slow-Mo and choose Better Quality. When you adjust the speed like this, you allow for greater possibilities, such as aligning with the beat of a song or creating a slow motion effect. Now that I've adjusted the speed on the first 2 clips, I'm just going to shorten the audio for the song I'm using. On to the third clip, trimming any unwanted footage before adjusting the speed. Keep in mind, the shorter the clip, the more control you have over each frame. Take a moment to see if all the clips flow. I added a fade out effect at the end. Time to edit the final clip just like the other ones we just did. Now I'm adding a fade out for the song as well. Let's see what we got so far.
Sick of this other bunch of creepy broke with the mystic style. Smoking on whatever, been a junkie since I was a child. Every time I think of death, I start to go and crack a smile. Never gave no fuck about this life, and that's me keeping in mind.
Okay, not bad at all. I just feel like that third clip needs like a small effect, just like we did for the second one. Adding a final kill effect for the last clip. At the bottom, press Filters. Here you can change how everything looks visually. I have presets saved already. Make sure to apply this to the whole video. This last part is optional. You can play around with text however you'd like. Sometimes I just use it for like my username. At the top right, click on the gray box next to export. These are your export settings. I like to always have my frame rate, my bit rate set to the max and at least 1080p resolution. This is the final project.
Sick of this other bunch of creepy broke with the missing style. Smoking on whatever, been a junkie since I was a child. Every time I think of death, I start to go and crack a smile. Never gave no fuck about this life, and that's me keeping in mind.
If you enjoyed that video or felt like it helped you, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.